Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. The day started off cloud-free over the western parts of South Africa, except along the south coast where it was fairly cloudy this morning. Low cloud was also associated with a bit of light rain along the Eastern Cape Wild Coast, but we're not expecting any more precipitation for the rest of today. It was showery to begin with on the high veld in the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and we're expecting thunderstorms to develop throughout this afternoon over the eastern interior. In fact, we have a 60% chance of thunder showers over Gauteng, southern Limpopo, much of Mpumalanga as well as the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Light rain could still affect the eastern coastline, and we're expecting isolated thunderstorms even on the border of the Northern Cape and Northwest. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger for another day over the western interior and along the west coast. This includes the Cape Metropole and the West Coast District, where it's warm and windy this afternoon. There's also a watch for severe thunderstorms in and around Gauteng, with the possibility of large hail and damaging winds. Now let's take a closer look at today's synoptic analysis. A high pressure system continues to ridge in over the eastern parts of the country. This causes cloudy periods in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, while it's sunny but windy for the western part. Thunderstorms develop this afternoon and continue overnight over the high veld in the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, resulting in a showery start to Monday morning in the eastern parts, and we're expecting thunderstorms to redevelop again over Gauteng on Monday afternoon, while it remains clear but windy in the west. Today's wind after yesterday's gales in Cape Town, reaching 30 km per hour in the City Bowl. Fresh southerly winds along the KZN coastline as well, with light northwesterlies across the Free State, Northwest and Gauteng. Daytime temperatures remain quite low over the southern parts of the country, maximums only reaching 20 today in East London and Bishu. Port Elizabeth with a high of 20 as well. 29 expected in Cape Town, 34 in Mahikeng and Pretoria with a maximum of 32. Tomorrow morning starts off cool over the southern interior with a low of 7 in Sutherland and 10 degrees in Graafrenet, 11s for George and Port Elizabeth, but it's much warmer over the northern parts with a low of 19 in Lephalale and Uppington dropping to a low of 19 as well. Monday afternoon, thunderstorms are likely once again over Gauteng and parts of Limpopo, while it will be quite a cool day over the KZN interior with a high of 18 in Pietermaritzburg, together with light rain. For Tuesday, we're still predicting some rain at first in KwaZulu-Natal, and it's cool again along the south and southeast coast, although there's no rain in the forecast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.